That pisses me off so much.
Set up a perimeter around the objective. Do not let them reach it.
They didn't cross. I don't think they did.
I see 1B. 2B, 2B.
2B.
He's somewhere like, oh my god, he's on top. He's on top broken. Like broken on top of the point, if the point was there. Control.
1 minute remaining.
One's up P3.
I can't get him at all. So he's not moving.
We lost that round. Prepare for the next one.
Damn, he crotch shot you.
Yeah, man.
Switching sides. Search and destroy.
Just get rid of this map altogether.
Use the charges.
Better than
Blast the
cross.
target. No mistakes.
No one crossed.
Search last.
Go B, go B.
Just only play Rio.
Wait, how? How the fuck? I didn't see anyone cross. I turned dead. Might be dark.
Alright, well, 3 of
Final minute.
I don't see nobody dark.
Okay.
I'll watch see if everybody comes out DVD.
He's back.
Bomb going down, bomb going down, bomb going down. They got me off bomb.
Device on Bravo. You secured the
Yeah, I'm not
device.
with you yet. Fuck.
Device in place.
He got me.
Countdown
Good
is
dark.
down to you. Finish the mission.
Sorry.
They're converging on me, bro.
Our device was disarmed.
I have a smoke selected, but it gave me a stun.
Yes, correct.
What? I don't get it. What happened?
Switching sides.
These guys are on a call together. Easy
Search and
hack to do.
destroy.
They push that perfectly.
Secure our objectives. Do not let your guard down.
I don't see nothing in the street.
I think they crossed.
Yeah. I'm watching
Oh yeah, I see somebody at A Street.
where?
On that car, the fire. Car is on fire, he's weak as shit.
I threw an oh, he put a trophy down. He might be going in the building. I'm gonna watch that.
1 minute remaining.
So I don't see him A Street. Y'all push that B Street.
What's P1?
It's a B push.
Nah, they didn't go yet. I picked off P1.
Yep, he came out.
Seconds remain.
Don't move around too much, Bones. It's gotta be down somewhere.
I know. I'm just gonna hold this tank. Oh, DK's here. My bad. I'm at dark. Oh, he's on A.
You've won that round. Get ready for the
I
next
thought I
round.
had a stun. I threw a smoke. That's crazy.
Switching sides. Search and destroy.
I'm down for this air work.
Place the charges on the target and destroy it.
Okay.
Hey DK, I can get the bomb.
So good, baby boy. Y'all not gonna let me push this out.
What's that cafe?
There's
open?
someone.
They're just stunning the cafe.
Cafe dead. Cafe dead.
Got one.
One's gonna be coming
They're
from dark.
planting at Alpha.
Oh wait, I think. Never mind. Forget what I said.
Bomb
Right, it's
planted. Set containment.
Oh
Top
towers.
American. Top American. Yep.
I thought I saw him.
Oh, I see that
Oh
kinda
my
got
god.
On to the next.
Where was he?
I'm so
Top
mad.
American.
Like on the palace.
Platform right here. Yeah. He didn't.
Why do you call that American?
That's what everyone calls it.
That's-
Switching sides.
House like to the right.
Xenophobic.
American is like the
Search
like
and
that platform.
destroy.
They're xenophobic.
Gotta be.
I'm gonna keep that hold of
Set up
the
a
tank.
perimeter
Just,
around this
are you gonna watch A
Do
Street
not
again,
let them
DK, or
reach
no?
it.
Nah, I'm pushing up in the
Okay.
cafe.
2-1A for sure.
Are y'all watching mid?
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, one's on A. He's back though. Mid. Shot at me.
Final minute.
I'm watching A Street.
Cafe.
They got me. Cafe. I was just about to move. Yeah, push.
Oh, I read that too. I fucking knew it. 2 in cafe.
I
Okay?
think you're Loki. You're in a good spot right here.
Yeah,
bro.
2 in cafe. They're not
Yeah.
moving, bro. Just don't move. Just sit. Okay.
They planted at Bravo.
Wait for him. He'll come out.
There's 2. There's still 2 in there.
We give it to like 35.
You walling, bro?
Yeah, no, definitely not. And they probably pushed that by now, but yeah, they're doing like a fake.
One's probably watching you mid.
No.
In
Oh,
the
he's still
corner
left
here.
in the corner.
Yeah.
Dark.
You go just blow it up.
Are you just gonna blow up with it?
We lost that round. Prepare for the next one.
Oh, they scream. How are you gonna rat when he has somebody already sitting on bomb? What the fuck? How are you gonna rat like
Switching
that?
sides. Search and destroy.
Bro, but you saw the loadout? It didn't move.
That shit's slow as fuck, bro. God,
It
damn.
is slow as fuck.
Use the charges. Blast
I'll
the
give you that. It
target.
shoots
No
straight.
mistake.
Damn.
Light it up.
Shit.
Hey, one on A. Far back though. Like A Street. Sorry, my bad.
Somebody on B. Oh yeah. What?
Where?
Top American, 2 men.
1 minute remaining.
Hey, he's far back on A Street.
I think y'all can plant low key.
He's going back right. Just get out of there. Get out of there.
All right.
Our teammates gonna plant.
That's fine.
Setting device on Alpha. Stand
That
by.
dude's still in the back corner.
Yeah, no. Lighting up.
Device in place. Countdown started.
I'm gonna try and watch Dark.
No, dark or not dark.
That
Oh,
dude's crazy.
sorry. I looked at Dark.
No way.
What?
Oh,
He almost clutched me.
I was behind him.
The enemies defused our bomb. The round is lost. Focus on the next one. Switching sides. Search and destroy. Secure our objectives. Do not let your guard down.
You heard Doc Rivers on a generational quote run right now?
No. What the hell is that?
I don't see any B Street. Oh wait,
What?
top rubble.
Final minute.
Oh my god, he's one fucking shot. How did that not kill him, Bran?
Oh, stand back that A. He's looking at me at mid.
Backside.
He's looking at me at mid.
Back by
in the
gas
tank.
station.
Enemy planted at Alpha.
Mid tank weak.
Just you and Willie now.
Yeah.
Oh!
We lost that round. Prepare
Lights.
for the next
It
one.
hits.
Oh, she's right there.
Switching sides. Search and destroy.
What does trad mean?
Traditional.
Oh.
Place the charges on the target and destroy it.
Don't laugh at me, bro.
Oh, what?
Don't laugh.
Trad what?
Someone said life is a trad wife. I
Oh,
didn't
yeah,
get it.
that's the thing. They missed the good old days. On the bomb.
Yeah, I'm looking at it. I don't see him.
I don't see him either. Oh,
Weak.
Good
Dead.
1 minute remaining. We're planting at Alpha. Bomb planted. Set containment. You've won that round. Get ready for the next one.
I thought that was him, and I was like, you're just gonna tear him. I thought that was the guy because he didn't have the thing. I was like,
Were you laying down?
I didn't do it.
Nah,
No,
I wasn't laying
I got
down. I
it.
was.
Destroy.
It looks so
I just I thought he might like pop up behind you or something, so I was just watching you for a little bit.
Set up a perimeter around the
Smoking dead, I'm getting
objective. Do
active.
not let them breach you.
I'm just gonna hold dark, to be honest. Well, I'm gonna go top again. I'm gonna go top.
I think you see here. They're top like broken over here. You see that shit? Just hold your
Yeah.
spot. Just hold your spot.
Yeah, I'm not doing anything. I put like 2 bullets in him.
somebody watching mid.
No.
Final minute.
Oh, wait.
I'm watching dark.
Hostiles launched a cruise missile.
Enemy marked.
Enemy bomb at Alpha.
He killed his own teammate.
Yeah.
He's
There's one on
here
the bomb.
with me.
There's one on the bomb. On the bomb, Travis. Challenge the bomb. Travis, he's gonna defuse. Look
Oh,
over
no,
him.
no, no.
Look over him.
He-
Look over
he
him. Look
wasn't
over
on
him
the
mid. Look over
dead.
him mid. Oh, that's Peggy.
All
Never mind.
operators involved.
He wasn't on the bomb.
Hey, the other guy was far away, bro.
Yeah.
I was so
Mission is
fucking far away.
complete. Good
I don't know
fight.
what
And
he was doing.
the other
He
dude,
shrieked,
Mongoose.
killed his teammate, and then
Yeah,
fucking-
yeah, he
Like-
literally costed them.
yeah, he was costing him so fucking hard.
Light it up. Yeah.
I can't
Light
believe he
it
team
up.
killed and then just sat there, didn't move after that. That's wild.
Light it up.